Well, here they are.
Charmita!
Well, it's a bit difficult to know what to say. Isn't it, Ace?
Well, isn't anybody going to say hello?
I think the blonde one's giving you the eye.
Well, I'll leave you to get acquainted. I'll just go and fix some tea.
Hi, baby.
I don't believe this.
Be strong, big man.
Our first contact with intelligent life in 3,002 years, and it's the android version of Norman Bates.
Come on, guys. So they're a little on the skinny side.
Listen, girls, I don't know whether it's the time or place to say this, but my mate Ace here is incredibly brave.
Smeg off, dog food face.
And he's got just tons and tons of girlfriends.
I'm warning you, Lister.
Is anything the matter?
Anything the matter? They're dead.
Who's dead?
They are dead. They're all dead.
My God. Well, I was only away 2 minutes.